Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource, and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Galaxy S6 Active so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this video, I will be using my locked AT&T Galaxy S6 Active and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier worldwide. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because they have the cheapest prices online, and it only took them a few hours to send me the unlock code. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And on the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Before we continue, we do need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select Get Unlocking Code and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because as I said before, you are getting the cheapest price online with the fastest delivery times. Once you receive your unlock code from the unlocking company, it's time to unlock your phone, but before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Go ahead and remove the SIM tray located on the side of your phone and insert in the SIM card that you want to use with the phone. So I want to use the S6 Active on my T-Mobile network, so I'm putting in my T-Mobile SIM card. If your SIM card is a different size than the tray, then you have to adjust the size in order for it to work. There is a link below to show you how that's done. After you insert the SIM tray back inside the phone, go ahead and power on the device. So once the phone boots up, it will take you to the SIM unlock page, and this is where you enter the unlock code that you received from the unlocking company. So after inputting in the code and hitting unlock, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful and the phone will take you straight to the home screen, which means that your phone is now permanently unlocked and you can begin using it immediately. As you can see, I'm using an AT&T S6 Active on a T-Mobile network. But anyways, that's how you unlock your Galaxy S6 Active for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like as it does help me out a lot. And if you have any questions or run into any problems, ask me in the comment section down below and I will respond as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource. I will see you guys in the next video.